Today we'll show you how to transfer HP 218 toner chip. Please prepare these items before transferring. Take out the chip recycle drill and unscrew the handle to reset it as the position shown. Push down the drill until you hear a snap sound. Rotate the handle of drill. Use tweezers to take out the chip. If necessary, use pliers to cut off the residual plastic or glue. Insert the chip into chip slot with correct orientation. Shake the toner cartridge gently. Remove the orange isolation rims on both ends. Pull out the orange sealing tape. Remove the orange protective cap. Finally, you can install the new cartridge into your printer.